Welcome, today I am with AirPods Max and I will show you how you can pair them with your Android smartphone. So the first, you have to simply move to the Bluetooth settings on your Android device. You can make it by using notification panel or going through the settings. Enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. And next, you have to grab AirPods Max and you have to click and hold this button. It's located on the right headphone. You have to click and hold it on this indicator right here at the bottom. Start blinking on the white color. So let's make it right now. Click and hold it. As you can see, indicator is blinking, so it means that they are in the pairing mode. So put them back. On your Android phone, you have to refresh this list. So you can use the refresh option or just drag to refresh. And as you can see, after a few seconds, AirPods Max appears on the list. So when you tap on them once and then accept pairing request, we will be successfully connected. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.